A very good morning, children. Today we are going to start the new lesson, the best Christmas present in the world. So in this lesson, what happened? Let's listen carefully and try to understand. If you have any problem, you ask me later on. Just listen it carefully. And actually in this lesson, the author found a 19th century roll top desk, means one cupboard, made of oak in a junk shop. It is the table or the cupboard is made by the oak tree. And where it is found? It is found in a junk shop. The desk was in a very bad condition. The author bought it thinking that he would restore it. Restore it means he will repair it. He found this cupboard in a junk shop and he brought it at home and he wanted to repair it. He began repairing it on Christmas evening. Eve is a short form of evening, and found a letter in one of its drawer. What he has done? When he saw the cupboard and when he saw one drawer, he found one letter there. He took out the letter and began reading it. The letter was written by Jim McPherson to his wife Connie. Children, remember there are two characters. One is Jim McPherson and his wife Connie. See, try to understand. Author found one cupboard. In that cupboard, in one of drawer, he found one letter. This letter was written by whom? By McPherson. And it is written to whom? Connie. Connie is a McPherson's wife. Understand? From the letter, he came to know that Jim McPherson was the leader of England army that was engaged in combat with the German army at the time of the letter was written. Now, children, try to understand. There are two armies, one from England and one from Germany. Jim McPherson is a leader in a England army, okay, and he fought against the German army when he written this letter. Now what happened? Let's see. McPherson wrote in the letter about wonderful things that happened on a Christmas morning. There, in the combat area, what happened? See, try to understand. He saw someone waving a white flag from the enemy side and heard a Christmas wishes. Jim McPherson saw one white flag. White flag is a symbol of peace and wishes of the Christmas. The England army too wished them to Merry Christmas. So it is started from the Germany army and McPherson is from England. They also wanted to wish them. Soon the two armies met at the no man's land. No man's land means the neither land of England or nor Germany. Okay, between two boundaries. Then what happened? McPherson met an officer of the German army named Hans Wolf. See, third character, Hans Wolf. Who was Hans Wolf? Hans Wolf was a officer of German army. They started talking about their life. In the meantime, a soldier bought a football and the two teams started playing football. When they were talking, one soldier came with the football and says, "Let's play the game." The German won. After the football match, drinks and food were consumed by both the armies. There is a small party. There were drinks and food after playing the football games. Later, they salute each other and the German walked away slowly. Jim bid farewell to Hans. He also said goodbye. Then what happened? In the night, both the armies were heard singing carols. Carol means a song. McPherson ended the letter by writing that both the army longed, L-O-N-G-E-D, long means wish. What they wish? For peace. And he hoped that the war would end soon. Both armies wanted. After reading the letter, the author decided to give this letter to Jim's wife. Try to understand. This letter is written by McPherson to whom? His wife Connie. Now this letter was found by the author. Now when author read this letter, he thought that I must hand over to Connie. So what happened? He went to the address written on the envelope. He went. On the reaching the place, he found that Macpherson's house had caught fire, आग लग गई, and his wife was in the nursing home. Now the Connie shifted to nursing home. He rushed to the nursing home and found Jim's wife there. He met Jim's wife. He handed over the letter. She had grown too old waiting for her husband. Now see, Connie was waiting for her husband and she mistook the author for her husband. Connie think that the author he himself her husband. James, she declared him to be the best Christmas present in the world, and he think that this letter is the best Christmas present in the world for Connie. Thank you. Now children, listen it 2 times, 3 times and try to understand the whole summary. You also learn new words. Write down new words in your copy if you have made. If you do not have made, don't worry. Don't go outside. Stay home. Stay healthy. Thank you.